Having a clickable YouTube thumbnail undoubtedly impacts your content views. That is why in this video I'm here to provide you with the simplest way to create your YouTube thumbnails using AI. Ready to get started? Let's design it! Here's my landing port to create images, Bing Image Creator. I'm using it for this video because all of you can access it easily and it is completely free. Not really completely, but you can use it free. Write in your search bar Bing Image Creator and open the first link in the search list. And this page will be opened for you. This is the prompt I gave it. Create a 3D AI robot with surprised human face and has face LCD. Background is black gradient and have a saturated Instagram logo. I've created a video on how to create Instagram posts with AI, and I would like to use AI to create the thumbnail as well. You can imagine your ideal thumbnail photo that you would like to use in your video. Think about an image that you want to use in your thumbnail and write here to create that for you. But remember not to ask it to write the text for you. We would write that using Adobe Photoshop and give the text amazing effects. These are surprising. You can see how detailed they are. They can fit the best for my YouTube thumbnail. But I have given it the same prompt earlier and I like those more than the new one. Specifically this one. I've downloaded it before. To download it, click on it and easily see download. Now open Photoshop and do the rest. This is the thumbnail I've designed for that video, and for a while it was on my video and my video performance was really awful. Now close this window and click on create to create a new document. From the templates above, choose any of them. I prefer to use art and illustration. Write 90/20 in the width and 1080 in the height. Here on the top, write the name of the document. Then press enter or click on create to create the document. Here is our document. Press Ctrl and 0 to fit the document size to the screen. Go for the image you have downloaded. Mine are there in the download. I like this one. Drag it and drop it inside Photoshop. This way you would have your image as a smart object. If you don't know what is smart object, you can ask me in the comments and I will tell what is smart object. This is reacting to the right, so I'm putting it to the left. We don't want to have the white here as this. We have to fill it with similar gradient as the image. There are different ways. Let's just only use the brush tool to extend the gradient. Take the brush tool from the toolbar and create a new layer. Right click somewhere and bring the hardness all the way down to 0. This way you won't have harsh edges on your brush. Take a sample of the gradient, Hold Alt and pick a color from the edges. You can see it is pretty black, but don't freak out, we would refine it with a smart and simple trick. Now take one more sample of the bluish background, Hold Alt and take a sample. Brush on the background and make the same as mine. Then take the eraser tool and erase the extra parts. To resize the brush or any other tool, just easily press open bracket to make it smaller and close bracket to make it bigger. It is time to write the text and add the effects. Click on the canvas and write down your text. Don't write all the text in one line. Just write each word with a different layer to have more flexibility on editing them. Then press the tick. I want this text to be smaller in the size. I think it has to be 20. I want to have a copy of the 3D text and edit it later. Take the cursor, then Alt Alt and drag the 3D text down to have a duplicate of it. I would move all of them to the center. Take the text tool from the toolbar, then select the 3D, delete it and write AI. Then press OK. It is time to add effects. Now right click on the text and choose blending options. You would get this window. Here you have different options to stylize your text. Move it to the right to have a bigger view. First, drop a shadow to the text. Keep all the settings as mine. Maybe pause the video and compare yours to mine. Next, add an outer glow. From here, you can choose a color. Click on it and change it. Next, add a gradient overlay. I've used this gradient color. You can click on it and change it to your own choice. Then I would like to add a stroke to it. To change the color, click on the color and choose a different color. Lastly, I would add a bevel and emboss. Keep the settings as mine. Pause the video and match yours to mine. Then press OK. Now right click on the 3D text layer and take a copy of the layer style. I wanna add the same style to the AI text as well, so right click on the text and say paste the layer style. And boom, you just easily replicated the layer style to this one. If you think you need a repositioning or maybe make the size smaller, you can easily do that and see what would look better for your design. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in the video and want more helpful content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for future tutorials, tips and creative insights. Until next time, happy creation, and I'll see you in the next video.